Guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss another videos.
Let go of everything.
So hi all again. Today in this video I am going to be showing you how to get the mouse and a keyboard on screen on OBS. So first I will link the website in the description down below. Click this button. Okay, now it will download it and minimize Chrome. Click hold and drag this right up. Wait guys, right, I knew it. So yeah, when it's gonna download, hold and drag this to nothing for now. Now like this, I need to open Chrome. Okay, minimize this. Now again, so you need to hold and drag this to your desktop, and now we don't need Chrome and you now get it. Nothing. Open it and you will say not board exe. Open that. Now it will get a blue screen. If you can see that, yeah, you can see that. Now right click. Okay, right click. Okay, load keyboard, and you have a ton of options: gaming, like this, like this. You have a lot of choices, but you need this one, not this one. Like this, you need this one for your recordings if you record. So close this, and now back to OBS. Now click plus. I need the new thing for this. So wait, not this. Okay, that's all. So come to here. Display capture device on. So right click here, add window capture device, not game. Okay, now like click this. Now wait, like this. Why? Wait, it's not working. Again. No. Okay, like this. I need to do it like this. Now add window capture device. Now okay, you don't want to name it now. Now it's working. See, not both. And click OK. Now you can see not both over here. I press W. Now sorry for the noises. See, blah blah blah. I can do this right, and click window capture device to right click, and where's filters? Filters. Now right click, add chroma key. Okay, now it will remove the green. You can change it blue. Just kidding. Now like this, like this. Now click close. Now it can do anything you want. Now I will open noteboard. You can see it now. Whatever I button press. Okay, so yeah, I am going to end this video here. Not intro. So yeah, that's the end of this video here. Hope you enjoyed. Give a like and a subscribe. Peace out. Time out. Dr. Leaf out.